Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Bree. If you are new here, I do all things lifestyle, mommy, all types of content, whatever you want. More than likely, I do it. If you have been here, what's up? How are you? How is your day going? Today's video, we are going to put together some Valentine's baskets and some school Valentines. I originally had wanted to get this video up in the beginning of the week, but because of Amazon, I am now filming this on Thursday, still waiting for packages. Normally I can sit here and say, I can tell you where I'm wrong. Normally I procrastinate a lot and I'm like scrounging last minute. But this time I did not scrounge last minute. I ordered all my stuff by Sunday and Monday. Everything was supposed to be here by Wednesday. This video was supposed to be up by Thursday. Boom. And then I was going to post another video spending Valentine's Day weekend with us. Well, we see where we are because today is currently Thursday and I am still waiting on a couple packages. All I'm currently waiting on is Bay's wallet, Peanut's wallet, a keychain for Bay, and I had ordered some colored lashes. I wanted to try something cute for Valentine's Day. I am currently still waiting on those things. I am kind of upset because my oldest, his wallet is here, and both of my kids asked me for wallets, so I can't give one wallet and the other one not a wallet, at least yet, because it is on the way, or if it did get lost, I'm going to get him another one. But we are going to start with the school Valentines. Normally, I am very big on Valentines. Like, one year, I did, like, these little lollipops. I'm going to try to find, like, a video or a picture of them, and I'll try to include it, insert here. But I'm known for doing, like, cute little things. Like I said, I did lollipops one year. I did these little, like, robots with, like, different candy to make the face. I've done little nerd guys. I'm going to try to find some of these pictures and videos so I can show you guys. Like, normally, I go ham. This year, I have about 40 to 50 Valentines to make, and there was just no way I was about to make 40 to 50, like, extravagant ones. So I did find these cute ones off of Amazon. They're like little mason jars. They all have different shapes, and then they came with a bag and glue dots, and you just put the Valentines there and write the kids' names. So I have asked the boys if they wanted to help me. At first they wanted to help me, then they didn't want to help me, then they did want to help me, but now they're in school and I want to get this video up, so I'm just going to go ahead and do it. Hopefully by the time I'm writing all these Valentines out and doing everything, Amazon will tell me my package is delivered or at least close to being on the way, so I can at least get this video edited by today and put up on Valentine's Day, even though that's not what I wanted. But you know what? The Lord works in mysterious ways, and maybe there is a reason why I'm not posting this video until Valentine's Day. So let's come along and let's make these Valentines and these Valentine Day baskets for the boys. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so let's start with a little unboxing, unbagging of everything that I got. I have been hiding everything in my trusty rusty Stitch tote bag. I have been hiding everything in here. Okay, so for school and basketball Valentines, we got Rice Krispie treats and wow. And I got some lollipops. These are the Yum Earth. I personally like this brand because there's no dye, no artificial dyes. I cannot talk today. Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry if I'm just like stuttering all over the place. They are allergy friendly. There's no artificial dyes, and they're just all around a little healthier for children. I personally like to keep my kids dye free because I feel like I definitely do see a difference in when they do have stuff with dye and don't have stuff with dye. So I try to keep them away from it. So I try to keep, why not share it with their friends? Anyways, okay. So on to the rest of the things I got. So I got Bay some socks and some underwear. And normally I don't, oh my gosh, it exploded. Normally I don't buy a lot of things like this for Valentine's Day, but this smelled so good. I just could not. It's Cremo body wash. It's bourbon and oak. The bottle exploded all over the bag, so I'm praying that it did not get everywhere else. So I'm gonna have to clean that up a little later. Wow, things like that never happened to me. Okay, and then most of the stuff that I got is from Dollar Tree and Five Below. If you want to see that video, it is on my TikTok, so make sure to go follow me on TikTok. Y'all, that soap is on all of this stuff that was in the bag, which it's not on the socks, but hey, at least it smells good. Okay, so on to the next thing. I got, these are the baskets that I'm gonna use. I did go in with hopes of finding some cute Valentine's Day baskets, but I didn't. And these I just feel like are very good plastic, durable baskets the kids and Bay can use for coloring stuff or whatever it is that they need to put in there. Then I got the boys some chocolates. I know I have to go out today, and I'm gonna say this now. I have to go out today and I have to buy Bay some candy and the teacher some candy. I have not gotten that yet because I was waiting on a message from the teacher to know what their favorite candy is. I also got this really cute hair clip for me. Then we got, these are from Walmart. These are just some simple, very cute Valentine's Day shirt. We got a Spider-Man and Stormtrooper. I almost forgot what he was called. Then more from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so like I said, the video is on my TikTok, but this specific Dollar Tree that I went into had a crap ton of face masks. And if you did not know, I'm a face mask girly. So I got the teachers a whole bunch of face masks, eye masks. We're gonna stop in the morning and get them some flowers, and then I got them some little Lindor chocolates, and then I'm gonna go today to get their favorite candy. I also got Bay some of these masks because they had one for men. We'll see. I got these for me and Bay because I'm really excited to see how these go. I feel like I've done these in the past, but I just cannot remember. I'll probably do a TikTok with those. Then what we got from Five Below, we got these little air things. My stepmom had these and the kids absolutely love them, so I found them. We got those. Then they have been really big into plushies and stuffed animals lately, so we got them. This is for Peanut and this is for Cletus. You should see their bed. Then I got these cute little spray hand sanitizers for $5. I'm going to give one to the teachers, and then I got one for myself too. But like, these are so, and they come with a little case and a little keychain. Like, these were so cute. And you know how much these were? Y'all, these were $4. $4. Last bag is this. I got a water resistant speaker because my oldest is in his music era and he needs to be playing music all the time, which I'm not mad at. And we got some coloring books because you can't go wrong with coloring books. And we got some mystery Ninja Turtle pops. And these are the Sol de Janeiro dupes that I had talked about on TikTok. These are at Five Below. They have the sprays. I got the lotion for this one. I didn't get it for this one. And then they have like this glitter spray oil ordeal. But that is the haul of the things that I got that we are going to get to finagling together and putting in these boxes. But I'm about to clean this area off and we're about to do these school Valentine's Day so I can get them out of the way. And I forgot to show you guys, this is the wallet that I got for my oldest because they are getting in the habit of wanting to go to the store and spend their money, and I'm all for it. But right now they're using those little like coin purses that come with all the Steve Madden bags. I had 2 black ones. It was very simple for the time being, but now they need their own wallet. So this may or may not make it into the basket right now. I'm still waiting on Peanuts. I got him a Spider-Man one, but we will see. By the end of this video, we will have our answer. Okay, so I have finished all of the Valentines. Okay, so I'm getting ready to run to the dollar store real quick to get like the candy and the balloons, the stuff I'm not gonna be able to get when I have the kids. So as I was getting ready to run, Amazon came and delivered my packages. So I'm not gonna sit here and lie. I had already started to record this, And then I had realized that what I was reading off of this keychain that I bought Bae is probably not appropriate for YouTube. Yeah, so I'm not even gonna read it. Maybe one day you guys will see it on his keys. Maybe he'll show it, but I'm not gonna read it because I'm not gonna get in trouble and get my video taken down. Then I got these. These must be my lashes that I got. Okay, I have come such a long way doing my own lashes. Like, I am so proud of me, because if you would have asked me like 5 years ago, I would never. This came with, oh, I thought it was red. It's pink. Oh. But that's okay. We can still do pink for Valentine's Day. These are the clusters. It also came with the Bond and the tweezers. I personally have one kind of glue that I have always used, has not given me any problems, and that is what I just stick to. Then this is Bae's wallet that I got him. He said he needed a new wallet. Oh, I like how it like already came like in a, that's so cute. But I just want to show it to you guys. It is a metal wallet. He can put his cards and his cash in it. I have no idea how this works. So that is for him to figure out. It also came with like this little pen thing. Maybe it's a screwdriver. Y'all, I don't know. That's for him to figure it out. He wanted it. He got it. That's what he can figure out. And then this must be Peanut's wallet. I got Spider-Man. That is what I got from Amazon. That is all the things that I was waiting for. So I'm about to run to the store, and then when I come back, we will put these boxes together. Okay, so this is our finished product of everything. This is probably exactly how I'm going to set it up in the morning. This is for Cletus. This is for the both of them. That's Bae's. This is Peanut's. And then these are the teachers' baskets, well, bags. We just have their favorite candy, some face mask, and some hand sanitizer. And we're going to stop in the morning to get them some fresh flowers. But this is our final product. I think they came out so stinking cute. Don't mind my couch. I really honestly didn't feel like putting my backdrop up. But this is our final product. And yeah, I really think I did a good job with these. Okay, so that is pretty much all I had for today's video. I'm going to get ready to go hide these in my closet. And yeah, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to drop a comment. Drop what type of videos you want to see. If you're curious about where I got any other products, if I didn't say it, just ask me. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace.